300. We got Levi on the 450 EXC, 6 days, and we got Brett on the 90 something KTM 200. Woo! That's fucking rocky. Running about 5.5 PSI front and rear. Tubliss. Downshift a bit. That's neutral. Mud puddle that we always forget about. So that's all the guys do.